What's up, everyone? Hollywood Will back with another review. Today we are reviewing the 30-inch Tech Orbits standing desk.
Do you ever find yourself hunched over your computer desk or having issues with sitting for long periods of time? If so, consider picking up the standing desk converter by Tech Orbits. Today we're unboxing this product to see if this is something you'd like to pick. This standing desk converter helps you go from sitting to standing in seconds. Simply by squeezing the table riser handles, the gas springs raise the desk to your desired height level, which is up to 20 inches high. Although the standing desk riser comes unassembled, it is easy to put together. The one I have is 37 inches wide. It has a two-tier design to ensure comfort by having your keyboard and mouse located separately. It holds up to 35 pounds and it is crafted by quality MDF wood. It comes in 3 colors, black, white, and brown. It also has a slot for you to be able to add your tablet or your phone in case you wanted to see any correspondence that was happening there. And as you can see, this was relatively easy to assemble. This is what it currently looks like on my desk. If you like to stop slouching at your desk and have the option of sitting or standing whenever you want, then consider picking up this Tech Orbit standing desk converter. Hope this was helpful in making your purchasing decision.